Stuck with that annoying Outlook HTTP error 400 bad request? Don't worry, you're not alone, and yes, it can be fixed. In this video, I'll tell you through easy solutions to finally get Outlook working smoothly again. Whether you're using Outlook web app or connected to an Exchange server, I've got you covered. Solution 1. Double-check the URL. Sometimes it's the simplest things that cause big issues. If you're opening Outlook in your browser and the link has typos, extra spaces, or weird symbols, it can throw that 400 bad request error. Make sure the URL is clean and correct, no unwanted characters or broken formatting. Solution 2. Clear cache and cookies. Your browser stores data to help websites load faster, but sometimes those saved files get corrupted and start causing problems. Clearing your cache and cookies can wipe out the bad data and give you a fresh start. Once cleared, just restart your browser and try opening Outlook again. Solution 3. Flush the DNS cache. If your device is storing outdated DNS information, it might be pointing Outlook to the wrong place. To fix that, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns on Windows. On Mac, run sudo killall-h upmdnsresponder in terminal. This refreshes your DNS settings and can fix bad request errors quickly. Solution 4. Try a different or updated browser. An old browser might not play well with Outlook anymore. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Still not working? Open a private window or try a different browser entirely. Some browser extensions could be causing conflicts in the background. Solution 5. Tweak Exchange server settings. For those using Outlook with Exchange servers, some settings on the server side might be too strict. Adjusting values like max field length or max request bytes in your registry can help Outlook handle more data and avoid bad request errors. Just be careful. Changing registry settings should only be done if you know what you're doing. Those are the best ways to fix the Outlook 400 bad request error. If one method doesn't work, try the next. It's often a combination of small fixes that solves the issue. Found this video helpful? Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.